to my channel. In today's episode, we got something going on right now. Like, I'm about to do the hatch, and I hope you guys enjoy. I got this plate. Ooh, this shit is bad. My cd7 cluster is gonna sit right here, and I get to take my mocked up one for now off the car, and I hope this looks dope. If you guys like it, make sure to hit the like, subscribe channel, and I'll be right back. Enjoy. So the reason I'm changing it is because you can still see the back of my cluster. If you guys could see it, you can see the back still in there, and I don't know, I want it to look more clean look. So that's why I'm changing it, you know. But that's a badass cluster, to be honest. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy.
Beats that'll make a break dance, pop. Beats that'll make a break dance, pop.
As you can see, I had the old cluster back there, and I had these braces holding it. Oh, that's about to be out. Hope you guys like it. So far, I took the pins off the cd7 cluster, and I'm screwing it back in. This is beautiful, to be honest. I just gotta take that off. I gotta look for smaller Phillips. Cold start.